All right, we're going to do a little bit of flowchart now. So what we're going to do is we're going to test each one of the inputs and each one of the outputs. So we're going to start that just by grabbing digital, and we're going to, after digital, put an output and then put another output. The last output is going to be turning everything off.
You realise how D flat went? It's a millimetre.
So all of these are going to go red. That's going to be the last one. This output is going to be D0 on. Oh my word, it's not going well, is it? And it's going to be on for 1 second. And this is going to be Q0. So we'll keep the numbers together. Actually, it's D0, sorry, that's Q and that's D. Apologies. Once we've done that, if D0 is on, Q0 goes high for 1 second, then goes low. Of course, it's going to have to go around here. Guys, are you going to go to lunch?
No.
Not yet?
Yes.
What we're going to do, guys, do you understand this? So for the programming, the test programming, we've got D0, yeah, then Q0 comes on for 1 second, then we take it all off. The lovely thing about this is that we can copy and paste it, and then paste it in here, and then we can just change, we can get that. We just change D0 to D1, and we change the Q0 to Q1. Right?
Thanks, sir.
Okay.
That's fine. I'll be quiet.
That's right. Okay, so we've changed the different inputs and outputs on that. So next one, just going to put in all 5 of those. That one, of course, is going to 2. That one is going to 3. And that one is going to 4. That one is going to 2. That one is going to 3. And this one's going to go to 4 and 5. And then we're going to loop back round. And then join up here with our nose. And then hopefully this will go back round to the start. Just play that to make sure it's okay. See it's okay. Pop back over to the PCB layout. What we should hopefully have if we play here is when we press this, that one comes on. Yeah, that's right, that's right, that's right, and that is right. So there we go, got to label it up now with the different components, but fundamentally I think we've got a pretty good circuit. Okay.